Molly Vader Law, been reppin' Painfield. Zeke Molly Vader Law, been reppin' Painfield.
YouTube, what's happening? It's your guy Hitch. I hope you all are well. I can't complain. My favorite Jordans of all time are the Jordan 6s, and a little over a week ago, they finally brought back the Defining Moments Pack 6s. It's been a long 14-year wait for them to bring these back, because back in 2006 I didn't get them when they retroed them, unfortunately. So this is perfect for me. Not only that, but ESPN got the Last Dance documentary for the Bulls' final three-peat in 1998 airing, so this was like perfect timing for everything. But fam, what if at the end of that documentary, on the finale, they were to shock drop us with the DMP 11s? With the DMP 6s finally coming back, it gives me the opportunity to show you guys and to give you a tutorial on how I style and lace my 6s, because the way I normally see people lacing their 6s, I can't get jiggy with it. I can't do this, and I can't do this. This is just terrible.
That's terrible. That's a terrible idea.
First off, does anybody use the lace locks the way that they're actually supposed to be used? Or do they even know how to use the lace locks? Probably not, but it really don't matter, because the lace locks are a real dope accessory to have, and I love them. And because I love my lace lock accessories, lacing your 6s like Exhibit A just ain't gonna cut it. This looks lazy, for one, and for two, you might just mess around and lose the entire lace lock as a whole. So this is a no-go. Now for Exhibit B. Outside of this just looking ridiculously stupid, and no shade to anybody that laces their Jordan 6s like this is just my personal view. When you got the lace lock down by the toe box, you are taking away from the beauty of that Jordan 6 toe box. And then if you tie the laces up by the ankle, that's even more flagrant, because you got a possibility of now covering up the best signature logo known to man, the Jumpman. Why would you want to do that? So if you don't want to cover up your Jumpman on the tongue, you don't want your lace lock down by your toe box looking all wild, or you don't want it dangling from the laces looking all lazy, I got the solution right here for you.
From Terrell to Rock, Zeke Molly Vader Law, been reppin'.
Before you get to the beauty, you got to go through the madness. Obviously, step one is unlace your 6s and take your lace lock, put it to the side so you don't lose it. And unless you are lacing some Converse, there's no reason you should be taking your laces and starting from the inside and going out. So your shoes should not look like this. This is a foul on the play. This is flagrant.
Tell the ref to blow the whistle, that bitch travel.
Do not do this. You want to start from the outsides and go in. Now that you got it flat and neat, make sure the laces are even. Now that they're even, now you can continue going from the inside out all the way up. Now, I like to wear my shoes a little bit more loose than super tight and snug. This will probably be the tightest that you'll see it. We're going to have the laces hang just a little bit going all the way up. Just like that. Now this, once you get past the first three eyelets, that's when you're going to bring in your lace lock. And you want the lace lock to sit like this so you can see the Jumpman at all times. So like I said before, this is going to hang a little bit. We're going to enter the eyelets first, and then we'll readjust this to make sure it's all nice and neat. Now this is where the readjusting happens. When you got it centered, now you can keep going up. But what we're going to do, we want to make sure the Jumpman is always showing. So you're going to start from the right side, go in through the right side, come out the left side into your eyelet. Start on the left side, go in through the left side bottom, come out the right side bottom, out to your outlet. So again, you let it hang just a little bit. Looks good. Now you only got one lace eyelet left. So we're gonna go in through the bottom for the right and come out on the top on the left. And on the left side, go in through the bottom and come out on the top to your lace loop. And that's it. Right now, it's really just a matter of like flattening the laces out so they don't look too congested down at the bottom. So here we find this, and then on the right side we find the left. Lay it out a little bit, and boom. There you go.
From Terrell to Rock, Zeke Molly Vader Lord, been reppin' Painfield. Zeke Molly Vader Lord, been reppin' Painfield. From Terrell to Rock, Zeke Molly Vader Lord, been reppin' Painfield.
So at all times, your lace loop with your Jumpman and your Jumpman is always showing. That dog tag is crazy. Now this is just for recording purposes because I will not be wearing this regularly. Now y'all know how I personally lace my Jordan 6s. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If you did like it, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, and let me know in the comments. If you also think I was wilding and this way of lacing them is trash, I appreciate all the feedback. But whatever you do, make sure you're doing it from inside your home. Let's keep the social distancing going. Do not let the government fool you as they prematurely open up some of these states. Lastly, for anybody that wanted a review on these Jordan 6s and I didn't give you one in this video, I'll do it in 5 seconds. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm giving these a 4.5. These are fire. Simple as that. I'm out.
Wreck ball, GG Brown, Pop Warner, Rowdy at that goalpost, Mookie got that check going, whole squad got that check going. It's Sunday morning and that check potent. Fly down to the railroad, yeah, yeah, just to see what I could see, yeah, yeah. I heard somebody call Payfield, yeah, yeah. I said what that mean to me.